Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to explain to you this poem called We Who Love Books. So let's start. Some books I'll never give away, though old and worn, their binding torn. Upon my shelves they'll always stay, alive, still read, still fresh each dawn, their magic moments never gone. Some books I'll never give away, though old and worn, their binding torn, means that. So, in these lines, the poet says that even though some books are torn and have been used for a long time, like they're damaged, even though they're damaged, he'll never give them away. Upon my shelves, they'll always stay. Here, the books have a permanent place on the shelves and are very important to the poet. Like those books are very close to the poet's heart. Alive, still read, still fresh each dawn. It's like each time the characters' stories come back to life whenever the poet opens the books. Like you have a favorite storybook and you get immersed into the world of your storybook, right? So that's what the poet is saying in this line. Their magic moments never gone tells that the moments are timeless and remain preserved within the pages of the books. Okay, so familiar friends, these timeless tales have been with me since I was 10. And as I turn their pages once again, I feel and love their old refrain. Familiar friends, these timeless tales have been with me since I was 10 means that the stories we love become like the trusted companions, and that these stories have been a part of him since he was 10. Like those storybooks are like his trusted friends for the poet. Okay, and the next two lines. And as I turn their pages once again, I feel and love their old refrain. So, this tells us that when the poet reads these stories again, he feels a sense of comfort and love towards them. Like he's really connected with those stories and he'll never give them up. Great verse, great thoughts still stand the test of time that's passing by so fast. These good companions never fail to give me joy, to nourish me. We who love books will always be the lucky ones, our minds set free. Great verse, great thoughts still stand the test of time that's passing by so fast. Tells us that great stories can never fade and will always remain in our hearts. Like, there are some particular stories that are very, very famous, and those stories will always remain in our hearts. I mean, they can never get old, right? Yes. Okay. So these good companions never fail to give me joy, to nourish me. We who love books will always be the lucky ones, our minds set free. So these are the final lines. They summarize the core message of the entire poem. So tells us that unlike human relationships, the companionships of books is dependable and constant. Okay. So books enrich the mind and soul and also provides emotional sustenance. So this is what the poet feels. Like he feels that books can always be trusted unlike humans. All right. So then next one. We who love books will always be the lucky ones. Our minds set free means that this is the concluding. Okay, this is the concluding line and the most powerful statement of the poem. So it tells us that book lovers are lucky because they possess a unique key to freedom. Like can you get immersed into a world of creativity and stuff like that. Okay, so this freedom is a true gift and the reason for the deep appreciation expressed throughout the poem. I hope you understood the whole poem. So like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell button and see you next time. Bye. Keep reading.